Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Georges-de-Malbaie is a charming village, nestled in the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec. This little gem is part of the larger Percy region, well known for its stunning natural landscapes and unique coastal views. Saint-Georges-de-Malbaie sits by the sea, offering breathtaking vistas of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. This area is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, as it's home to thousands of seabirds, such as the Barrow's goldeneye and harlequin duck. The village itself offers a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the fresh ocean breeze. You can visit the historic Église Saint-Georges, take in the scenic views from the Halte de la Tête d'Indian Rest area, or explore local walking trails like the Point Saint-Pierre Trail. Saint-Georges-de-Malbaie is also a great starting point for nearby attractions like Percy Rock, Bonaventure Island, and Fort-Rilon National Park. With its stunning scenery, quiet charm, and rich wildlife, this village is a must-visit destination on the Gaspé Peninsula.
watching!